Today we are going to learn how to find the roots of a quadratic equation by the second method, and the method is quadratic formula method. So let's see how to solve this. Here we have our first example, 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. So first we'll write what is a, b and c, because the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So your a is 2, your b is minus 5 and c is negative 3. After this we need to find something called as discriminant, and discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, that's a formula to find the discriminant of an equation. So b square, b is minus 5, so we'll put that as minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 3. So minus 5 square is 25. Now minus into minus will be plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So your discriminant is 25 plus 24 gives you 49. Okay, so your discriminant is 49. Now we got the discriminant, we have to find the roots, and we know the roots are the values of x, and for that you have a formula. Roots is equal to minus b plus or minus root of the discriminant upon 2a. Let's put the values. Minus b, your b is already minus 5, so we'll open a bracket, minus 5 plus or minus discriminant is 49, so root of the discriminant, that is root of 49 upon 2a. Your a is 2. Minus into minus is plus, so you've got plus 5 plus or minus root of 49 is 7 upon 2 2s are 4. Now it's a quadratic equation, so it will have two roots. So we have either x equals to 5 plus 7 upon 4, or x equals to 5 minus 7 upon 4. So 5 plus 7 will give you 12. So 12, x is equal to 12 upon 4, and 5 minus 7 will give you minus 2 upon 4, which can be cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 3s are, and 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore x equals to 3 or x equals to negative 1 upon 2. Therefore the roots are 3 and negative 1 upon 2. That's all. So this is your quadratic formula method. You have to write first a, b and c values, then you have to find discriminant. The formula is b square minus 4ac. Put in the values and get the discriminant, and then to find the roots, that is values of x, the formula is minus b plus or minus root of d upon 2a, where d is the discriminant. So it will be either plus or minus, no, plus or minus. Therefore your answer will split into two, x is equal to positive or this negative one. So the roots are 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Let's solve another example. 3x square minus 10x plus 8 equals to 0. So the first step is you have to write what is the value of a, b and c. A is 3, b is minus 10 and c is 8. Now we need to find the discriminant, that is d, which is equal to, the formula is b square minus 4a into c. Putting the values, b square, b is minus 10, so minus 10 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 8. Minus 10 square is plus 100. Now plus into minus is minus. 4 3s are 12, 12 8s are 96. So 100 minus 96 will give you 4. Therefore your discriminant is 4. Now let's find the roots. You got the discriminant as 4. Now let's find the roots. The formula is minus b. Now don't get confused with this roots formula and the discriminant formula. Discriminant is b square, it's not minus, b square minus 4ac, whereas here it is minus b, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of the discriminant. Here you can also write as b square minus 4ac because your discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So I'll write here discriminant upon 2a. Let's put the values, minus b, so minus by formula, what is your b? B is minus 10, so minus 10 plus or minus root of discriminant, discriminant was 4 upon 2a, 2 into a is 3, therefore minus into minus is plus, so you have plus 10 and plus or minus root of 4, we know it's 2 upon 2 3s are 6. Now we know that a quadratic equation will have two roots, so this is plus or minus here, so we'll split this into two. So first, either x is equal to 10 plus 2 upon 6 or x equals to 10 minus 2 upon 6. So x is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12 upon 6, or x is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8 upon 6, which can be cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 2s are, this can be cancelled with 2, 2 3s are, and 2 4s are. Therefore the roots are 2 and 4 upon 3. I have saved one step here. Nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Now we know that the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, and the discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now depending on the discriminant, We have three conditions. If the discriminant is less than 0, the equation will have no real roots. If your discriminant is -1, -2 or any negative number, the equation will have no real roots and there is no need to find them. Second is, if the discriminant is equal to 0, the equation will have equal or repeated roots. Both the roots will be same. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2. And third is, if the discriminant is greater than 0, the equation will have two distinct or different real roots. Like x is equal to -2 and x is equal to -5. Now let's see the first question. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. So let's write the equation a, b and c, and let's find d, b square minus 4ac. Here you see that the discriminant is coming to 0. So if discriminant is 0, what is the nature of the root? Since d is equal to 0, the equation will have equal or repeated roots because the discriminant was 0. That's why it has got equal or repeated roots. Let's see another question. If both the roots of a quadratic equation x squared plus kx plus 9 equals to 0 are equal, find the value of k. Now when are the roots of a quadratic equation equal? When the discriminant is equal to 0. So you have the equation, the values of a, b and c, and since the equation has equal roots, d will be equal to 0 because it has got equal roots. So the condition is d is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So let's put the values. K square minus 4 into 1 into 9. So you get k square minus 36. K square is equal to 36. K is equal to root of 36. And therefore k is equal to plus or minus 6 because root of any number is plus or minus. Therefore the value of k is 6 or minus 6. Third question. Find the value of m for which the equation x squared minus 4x plus 2m equals to 0 has equal roots. So again, the equation will have equal roots if the discriminant is 0. So equation, values of a, b and c, d is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So let's put the values. Minus 4 squared minus 4 into 1 into 2m. So 16 minus 8m. So you have minus 8m is equal to minus 16. So m is minus 16 upon minus 8. Minus minus cancelled. And 2 8s are 16. Therefore, the value of m is 2. Now, please take a screenshot of these questions for practice. We learn some 1-mark questions in quadratic equations. First one, find the roots of the following quadratic equation. Now these are some simple equations. We don't have to use the quadratic formula, just factorizing it. So 2x squared minus 8x equals to 0. So 2x is common in both the terms. So we'll take 2x out. In the bracket, x is left, minus 2 4s gives you 8. So x minus 4 in the bracket equals to 0. So either 2x equal to 0 or x minus 4 equals to 0. So x is equal to 0 upon 2 and 0 upon any number is 0 and x is equal to 4. Therefore the roots are 0 and 4. Now let's see another example. X squared minus 2x equals to 0. So we have x as common. So x, open the bracket, x minus 2, close the bracket, equals to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Please take a screenshot of these questions and you can solve it. Now the next type of question, find the value of k if 2 is one of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus kx minus 2 equals to 0. So one of the value of k, the equation is 2. That means the value of x is 2. So 2x squared plus kx plus 4 equals to 0. One of the root is 2. That means x is equal to 2. One of the value of x is 2. So what we'll do, we'll write the equation, and in equation wherever we have x, we'll replace x with 2. So 2 into 2 square plus k into 2 plus 4. So you get 8 plus 4 plus 2k equals to 0. 12 plus 2k equals to 0. We'll take 12 to the other side. So you have 2k equals to minus 12. So k is equal to minus 12 upon 2. If you cancel, 2 6 are, so minus 6. Therefore the value of k is minus 6. Please take a screenshot of these questions, these as well, and solve it. The next type of question is, write the quadratic equation 3x plus 1 upon x equals to 6 in its standard form. And the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. There should be no fraction, but here you have a fraction for the second term. It's 1 upon x. So what we'll do is, we will try to eliminate that x. So 3x plus 1 upon x equals to minus 6. So to eliminate that 1 upon x, to eliminate x, we will multiply all the three terms by x. So 3x multiplied by x plus 1 upon x multiplied by x equals to minus 6 multiplied by x. So 3x into x will be 3x squared, and 1 upon x multiplied by x, those x will be cancelled, equal to minus 6x, and then we'll bring 6 to the other side so that the equation is written in the order 3x squared plus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. So that's the standard form. Please take a screenshot of this as well. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.